In this instance, we're going to be forced off a single track road by, well, you can see it says idiot there in capital letters, and you'll see why in a few seconds. The road we're on here at the moment clearly is not a single track road, but we are going to be turning left here very shortly. And this is the left turn that we're going to be taking here. You can see we've gone from 28 down to 13, and we're doing it at a good speed to go around that corner. Very, very nicely executed. This is a single track road though, and there are pull-in places on either side of the road here. Now along here there's going to be a humpback bridge. And of course what you have to do when you're approaching a humpback bridge is just sound your horn to let people know from the other side that you're on your way. And you'll see a sign for the humpback bridge in a few seconds. It's buried in the trees, so it's not always easy to see it. It will come up in any second now. There's a cyclist there, and they've just come from it, and there is the sign for the humpback bridge there. So we know it's approaching. It's going to be just around the next bend. As we're coming up to this bend, I'm explaining to the student here that we have to sound a hooter, and to do that just when it comes into view. And so we've gone beep at this point, and this happens. This car is going to force us off the road. But this isn't the worst thing this month. It's not the worst one, although it comes a very close second. He's going to force his way through, and that's going to put us in the ditch. There you go. So that's when we're forced off a single track road by idiots. And luckily everyone's okay. We've gathered ourselves up, and now we're going to set off again and be on our way.